How to fix the issue of wallpaper background keeps changing in Windows 11. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open Settings application. So you can simply go to Start menu and type Setting or use shortcut key Window plus I. Then after in the Settings, from the left hand side menu go to Personalization. Choose the option of background and in personalize your background in the drop down menu don't choose the option of slideshow or window spotlight. Either choose picture or solid color. Then after you can simply choose any one of it from the recent image. Make sure in choose of picture you have chosen the option of fill. After that you can choose any one of the picture from the background and you will see that now you will have a static background. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.